Okay, so now we're going to look at, as Jared was talking before, about how to pronounce different things.
Yeah, this just came up when we were talking about cash and cache. Really,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
it's really common for it to be cache in Australia, but it's not probably formally correct. It's a cache.
As long as they don't call it cachet.
As long as I don't call it, cache. It's not a cache.
It's not a cachet. It was never a cachet. Cache is fine. Cache is fine. Cachet is a big no-no.
Yeah. So I often do this, you know, if you've read a word or something like that, or if it's a foreign language word or something that's
Most
used
definitely.
a lot, then you can type in and someone will have put up usually these 10, 15-second videos just how to pronounce words or phrases correctly.
Which can be very useful.
It can be very fun. But
Especially when I see how many people can't pronounce the word nuclear.
yeah, or pronunciation,
Yeah.
which has got a certain irony with it, that one.
So what we've done here is I picked a word. I actually picked the Maldives or Maldives. People say it
A lot of
both
people say
ways.
Maldives.
Yep. So I
Maldives.
type in how to pronounce Maldives or Maldives, and so in YouTube,
Maldives.
there you go. He says Maldives.
Maldives.
Now, apart from that, you can go to other sites where people really make fun
Well,
of pronouncing words.
There's this one guy or woman, I don't know, but I mean it's a guy's voice, but it's called Pronunciation Manual.
Yep.
And he's just put a whole bunch of words. It's got a ridiculous amount of subscribers and views, and it's just stupid, but it's funny.
Yeah.
That what he puts in there. So
We've gone to his page right here, and the top one off the rank is Szechuan sauce.
Szechuan sauce.
Szechuan sauce. Now, he doesn't say it Szechuan. He says it like this.
Sexuan Shantundi. Sexuan Shantundi. Sexuan Shantundi.
Now this is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, right? Like,
Oh, that's hilarious.
it is hilarious.
He's hilarious. So he's got so many different words that you can pronounce, but not, you know, he's obviously doing it, he's being a little bit silly.
So go out, find some sort of, you know, intensely funny things, and let us know, because half the internet's humour,
Yeah.
and the other half is war and disaster. So let's focus on the former.
Yeah, I mean, we spend a lot of time talking about technical issues, but we want to show you that the internet is not just technical things.
No.
And this show is not just about technical issues. We like to have some fun too. So please send in anything that you think that we might find funny, and if we find that they are funny, we'll relate them to you.
We'll share. All right. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.